So my Yoast is a great way to manage your Yoast account if you're using um, if you're using Yoast on multiple websites. So you're able to go in to your account and buy one access for one website, two websites, three websites, and it gets cheaper as you buy in multiples. Then what you can do is you can see all of your websites. You just go here to add a site and put in your websites. And then over time, you can manage your Yoast subscriptions because they recur, and you may have a website that you're not using anymore, and you can use your subscription on a different website. So here you can see that I have midlifemonarch.com is the one I want to activate my Yoast subscription on today. So it's faded out, which means I do not have it. You can see up here where I do and here where I don't. So I'm going to click manage. And right here, I can turn it on. Yoast SEO for WordPress Premium. And you can see here 2 out of 3 used. And I can click here to get another subscription. So I'm going to turn that one on. And I am going to download. I'm going to download okay, there we go. I'm going to download that zip file. Okay. Now go back over to my website, which is right here. We're going to go to plugins, and we're going to upload let's see, we're going to go to add new, and we're going to go to upload plugin, choose file, downloads. You're going to take this whole zip file and we're going to install that. Okay, there it goes, unpacking the package, installing the plugin. Okay, and then we are going to go back to, let me just see where it is, installed plugins. There it is, Yoast SEO Premium Activate. Okay, so you actually you're going to have your regular Yoast SEO, but then you're going to have your SEO Premium, and it has to be activated. And then we'll go down here now to SEO Premium. Okay, and then we know we're activated. We have installed and we have activated.